Hey, what's up guys? I'm finally getting around to making some liquid cultures, so I thought I would share the recipe as I had a previous video on my channel that compared light malt extract, honey, high fructose corn syrup, and maple syrup as liquid cultures. I never did a follow-up, but the light malt extract is superior. It doesn't cloud as much, and also like some of the other sugars can caramelize during pressure cooking, and so light malt extract is really nice. It stays clear, really fast colonization rate. So that's what I'm gonna be going with today. Ingredients, so we're gonna do 1 gram of light malt extract per 600 milliliters of distilled water. And then I'm going to also add a marble at the bottom of my jar so it can break down the mycelium later. Jars, got our filters on the top, injection port right here. And so we are ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and do a time lapse and catch you guys in a second. And then I'm also gonna do some like agar tests that I will be following up on. So stay tuned for that.
I'm a sport queen, crown in the moss. Talk to the forest, you just get lost. You chase highs, I'm charting the strain. Name on the slide, ink in your brain. I'm a mycologist, deep in the maze. Filling up a notebook, counting your days. You want magic, I write the dose. I'm the one that makes the fungus glow. Lab light, red eyes, I don't sleep. Prints on the foil like secrets I keep. You see a cap, I see a map. Whole hidden network under your step. I'm a sport queen, crown in the moss. Talk to the forest, you just get lost. You chase highs, I'm charting the strain. Name on the slide, ink in your brain. I'm a mycologist, deep in the maze. Filling up a notebook, counting your days. You want magic, I write the dose. I'm the one that makes the fungus glow. Sport queen.
Alright, and I'm just loading these guys in the pressure cooker. I'm gonna bring water like about 1/3 of the jars, and I'm going to pressure cook this at 15 psi for 25 minutes. Usually with liquid cultures you can get away with like 15 to 20 minutes. I'm having a little bit of issue with the atmospheric pressure at the moment, and so my 15 psi isn't a true 15 psi, so I gotta sterilize a little longer. So for me it's gonna be 25 minutes at 15 psi, but most time if you're like at sea level it's gonna be 15-20 minutes at 15 psi. So we'll load those up, and then next video we'll be unloading these, inoculating them, and agar follow-ups. So thank you guys for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. Psych-E.